guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add animations to your text on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text and type in the word you want to write. I don't know, just do it. And also select the font that you want as well. I'm just going to select this font because I think it looks very pretty. I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow so you can see the text even more. And then here we have this animation bit where you can add in like a pop-up or like a type or anything, like any animation that you want. We have like, well, they have like a few. I personally just like the simple fade in one and also the fade out, but you can also add in like a loop animation to it, something like this wave. You can also adjust the speed, by the way. This will make it slower, this will make the speed faster, as you can see here. Okay, I prefer this one a little bit better. But I actually do not really like the text animation as much as the video animation. So I'm just going to right click and then select create compound clip. And then on top of the, oh, actually, let me just go to, oh yeah, I do need to right click and then create compound clip. Then I can go to animation here, go to combo and select this one or this one. I actually like these better. But yeah, that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!